Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, teachers and students. Praise be to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala for all His blessings that allow us to gather today in this very important discussion, which is about school uniform policies. As we know, school uniform are part of school life that often becomes a subject of debate. Some support it because it considered important to create equality and school identity. However, many also feel that school uniform limit freedom of expression. Our discussion today aims to delve deeper into the various perspectives regarding school uniform policies. We will listen to opinions from both sides, the pros and the contra. Hopefully through this discussion we can find the best solution that can accommodate the interests of all parties. Before we start this podcast, allow me to introduce myself first. As the saying goes, if you don't know, you don't care. Let me introduce myself. My name is Fajar Putra Pratama as the moderator. And to my right is Hani and Mahanani as the pro team. While to my left is Kanaya and Firman as the contra team. Alright. Let's start this podcast with the argument from the pro side who agrees with the issues of school uniform policy.
Thank you. First, let me reintroduce myself. I'm Hani Aulia and my colleagues. I am Mahanani from the pro team and I will present our arguments on this matter. There are several reasons here, but I will take only 3 reasons. The first is focusing on education. So school uniform helps students focus more on learning and not think too much about appearance or clothing brands anymore. Secondly, is quality among students. Uniforms create the impression that all students are equal in obtaining education, regardless of social or economic status. And thirdly, is increasing attendance and discipline. With uniform, students can more easily prepare themselves for school, which reduces absenteeism and improve punctuality.
That's good opinion from the pro team. Now how we will the con team responds to the opinion from the pro team. The contra team is invited to present their opinion.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Kanaya from the Contra team and with my college.
My name is Firman.
Okay, I will present my argument why I disagree with this issue. This is based on the several factors. First, limiting freedom of expression. Uniform that restricts students from expressing themselves through their college clothing choice. Second, additional cost for family. Parents have to bear the cost of uniform, which add to the cost of education.
Limited comfort. Some students feel that uniforms are less comfortable than regular clothes, which can interfere with their comfort in learning.
Well, from the arguments that have been presented by both the pro and contra teams, several conclusions can be drawn that school uniform have advantage and disadvantage. On the positive side, uniform can help students focus on learning, increase attendance and discipline, and promote equality among students, regardless of social or economic background. However, uniform also have disadvantages, such as limiting student freedom of expression, impacting self-image, being uncomfortable, and adding to family financial burden. To balance the pro and contra, schools can consider ways to maintain the benefit of uniform while addressing the shortcomings, such as allowing accessories for self-expression and limiting the number of uniform required to ease the family financial burden. My friends from both the pro and contra teams, this concludes our discussion this morning on the issue titled School Uniform Policy. Of course, this discussion is very beneficial for all of us and those who are watching this podcast. With gratitude, I conclude this podcast. As the moderator of this event, I apologize if there are any intentional or unintentional mistakes in guiding this event. I take my leave. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.